हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू राहगीर इंडिया डिफेंस अड्डा, जहां पर हम आपको एसएसबी के लिए फुल ट्रेनिंग एंड गाइडेंस दे रहे हैं।
दोस्तों, मुझे बताते हुए आपको खुशी हो रही है कि हाल में लास्ट के 2 दिनों में 2 कैंडिडेट्स ने एसएसबी क्लियर किया है और हमारे ज़्यादातर कैंडिडेट्स स्क्रीनिंग से आगे जा रहे हैं और लास्ट स्टेज तक पहुंच रहे हैं।
हाल ही में हमने एसएसबी गाइडेंस के कुछ कोर्सेज शुरू किए थे जो बहुत अफोर्डेबल हैं और जिसमें हम एसएसबी की कंप्लीट आपको जानकारी दे रहे हैं, लाइव प्रैक्टिस करवा रहे हैं, जहां पर आपका इंडिविजुअल साइको एनालिसिस टेस्ट होता है। उसके बाद आपको टीएटी, वैट, एसआरटी की गाइडेंस, कोचिंग और ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, जहां पर आप पुराने एसएसबी से रिलेटेड इंस्ट्रक्टर के साथ डेली बात कर सकते हैं, लाइव आपकी इंटरेक्शन होती है और आपके हर वर्ड के ऊपर आपको फीडबैक दिया जाता है।
आज इस वीडियो में हम आपको अपने कैंडिडेट भूमिका के एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे, जो कि शुरू में बहुत शाई थे और आज आप उन्हें खुद ही देख सकते हैं।
Hello everyone, this is Bhumika and I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today I am sharing my preparations with Rahagir India. When I joined course, I only knew about that this is a 5-day interview process, but I didn't anything about how you put yourself, what is your strength and what is your loopholes, how you will participate in a group. This is one of the most important thing which you will find here, that you have to participate in your group as a team member and keep your team with one another. And I find it very much relevant for me that orientation of this course has been done properly. Modules are well organized. You will get daily modules, and in all these modules you will find VAT, TAT, SRT and PPDT story writing. And in this course, I find very much relevant thing is that you will get daily modules, and in these modules you will have to work daily and you will get comments on the same day before the classes. And when you join the class, sir will take individual work and he will suggest you what you did and what you have to do. So when you do something wrong, sir will rebuke you, scold at the same moment, and he will stops you that you are doing wrong, and make it correct first and do it properly. And we have our OIR practice sets, group discussions with one another, group planning exercises, and OIR practice sets we also had in our group. And check your modules on a daily basis, comments on the same. And one of the most important thing is that it focus on your quality first of all, and then with quality, quantity, with the same time management. You have to do the work in the same. You will get special module on SRT, VAT, TAT, even TAT. You will get more than 2 to 3 modules, so that your practice has been done properly. And he will suggest you, it's not like that spoon feed. He will just tell you what you have to do according to your knowledge, your skill. You have to perform, not like spoon feed that you have to do this story in only this way. No, it's not like that, which I find it very much relevant. And also I like one thing is very much helpful, that he will scold you, he will tell you that no dear, you are doing it wrong, and make it properly in a right manner as your parents do. And Rahagir India is I find it very much relevant. It is very helpful for me. And to be very frank, and I practiced other than classes 5 to 6 hours to prepare myself, that I have to do that. And if sir called me on the one day, on the very first day, then I work more like 7 hours to make it correct. Because I want to do best. I was very nervous in the course, but later on, with time to time, sir suggests you how to overcome your nervousness, how to push yourself. This is the best thing of Rahagir India. And I recommend to you all that you should participate in the course once at least, because you find quality there, your personal attention on individual aspirants, and comments on the same, work daily, and you have to work hard. at every moment. If you are going wrong, sir will stop you and he will tell you what you have to do and praise your efforts. If you are putting a lot of efforts, he will praise your efforts and he will tell you that you are did best today and you are going to recommend in the services. So this is my recommendation. So all the very best, all of you. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching this channel. Do share it with others and do subscribe so that you can make full utilization of the videos posted by us. Thank you. Jai Hind.